Okay, today's episode we're going to be looking at Chromecast Ultra. Chromecast Ultra has the same channels as like a smart TV or Apple TV or anybody else. You just plug this in and it broadcasts in 4K HDR. Once you open the box, you're going to get an adapter, your instructions, and a little tiny, it's so tiny I can't get it. There it is. There it is, your Chromecast. Okay, let's turn on the TV screen now. There it is. Google Home app on your iPhone. Download Google Home app on your iPhone. Alright, first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and pull up the Chromecast TV streamer. It's the second one right here. That one right there. And download it. And then hit open. There you go. It's as simple as that. And go ahead and link it to your TV because it's already plugged into your TV. So let's do that right now. Living room TV. Now you can broadcast pictures off your camera roll, music, documents. You can cast from the browser on your laptop, or you can use a live camera. And it will, every app, Spotify, iTunes, they'll all have the ability. YouTube, you can play YouTube videos. They'll have the little icon at the top where you can transfer it to your TV set. All right, here's the Get Started button. Let's see, Jess. Here we go. Okay. Confirm account. Looking for devices. It'll probably spot all my Google Home devices and my Google Chromecast. Yes, it matches. The H9G4 code is, if you see on my TV up there. As you can see, the code matches the TV. Since I've confirmed that this code here matches what's on the TV, I hit yes. Yes, I'm in. My rooms. Where's the device? I'm going to say living room. It's now updating my television Chromecast. It's fetching the latest update. So basically, on your phone, I have the tablet here, but on your phone, you're going to have all your channels, everything. You can choose a sample clip to learn how to Chromecast. So I'm going to turn on Netflix on my Chromecast right now. And I'm going to tap that button to start cast to the kitchen speaker. There we go. Now my Google Home just went bling. I'm showing a trailer right now of The Kingsman, The Golden Circle. On my TV, I can play whatever I want via my phone app. As you can see, there is a Chromecast symbol in the upper corner on every app. So you can broadcast anytime you want. Play Batman trailer on the TV. It's playing Batman trailer right now. Okay, as you can see now, Google Home runs my TV. It's as easy as that. I will see you on the next episode of Tech Time. Take care. Bye-bye.